2003. And 2003 they opened the Goodwood factory.
I understand. I was just about to fold up and down the Spirit of Ecstasy. I want to do see if somebody notice it, but I was too late. Next crossing we'll do it and see what somebody notices it. I mean, the previous Phantom was a large car. This seems to be... Oh, he is pointing. Hello. Hi. The mom completely ignored it, but the guy was like, Mom, have a look, have a look. Have it even more individualized.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's try to lower it, see if somebody says something. Okay, people look, and then they turn around. Okay.
It's the Swedish way.
Yes, it's like we're driving a Micra. It's like they just ignore it.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna raise the Spirit of Ecstasy right now. See if somebody... No, nobody cares. And a bicyclist, okay.
It's so quiet, the engine, I can barely hear it.
Yeah, it's like an electric car. And you want Narvavägen down?
Yeah, sure.
Sir? Okay.
And just to the left at Linnégatan, I accidentally put on the seat heating. It's so warm.
You might even have seat cooling. So.
It doesn't look like it actually. Let's see. We have.
So that's funny. Kids always look at this car.
I do.
Yes. Did you find a seat cooling, sir?
Yeah, I did.
That's perfect. It's other charm. So these guys is missing it. Yeah. These guys loving it. I can lower that. Yep, those guys loved it. That's for sure. To the right here, sir?
Yeah, to the right.
Bentley, when there is Rolls Royce. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, they are sort of in the same category, but Rolls Royce are always more expensive. When you close the door, everything becomes quiet. Outside, every.
Okay, now we're gonna do.
Here we go. The Spirit of Ecstasy. Party trick.
He didn't care a bit. It's sometimes here you could have sensed a change in gearbox. Or changing gears.
Yeah.
Only there. Okay, let's see if these are interested.
No, they're not. Yes, they are.
Oh, they are. He liked it when it popped up.
Yeah.
One person liked it. He did this. It brought him a smile on his face.
And there we are.